If the oceans vanished overnight, thirst would be the least of our problems. In fact, most of humanity would be dead before they even realized the water was gone. Earth holds 1.3 billion cubic kilometers of ocean water. When that vanishes, it leaves a massive vacuum. The surrounding atmosphere instantly plunges downward to fill the void. This forces the breathable air off the continents and into deep ocean basins. For billions in coastal cities like New York, the air pressure would drop as if they were instantly teleported 8 miles into the sky. This is the cruising altitude of a commercial airliner, where the air is too thin to sustain human life. Terminal hypoxia sets in within minutes. Before processing the shock of a receding horizon, people would lose consciousness and die of oxygen deprivation. The immense physical mass of the oceans provides the structural foundation for our breathable atmospheric pressure. By the first morning, the receding atmosphere reveals a landscape no human eye was ever meant to see. The continental shelves drop away into vast, jagged abyssal plains. The ocean floor is blanketed in marine snow, a thick, toxic silt made of millions of years of organic debris and skeletal remains. Stripping the water away leaves centuries of maritime history exposed. Ancient galleons sit stranded on the edges of massive undersea canyons, their hulls drying in the sun for the first time. Massive fortunes sit in the open air, including 5 tons of Russian gold bullion lost aboard the HMS Edinburgh in World War II. This debris field covers 71% of the planet, turning the seabed into a topographical desert where human history is scattered across the volcanic rock. The ocean floor is a vast alien graveyard of marine biology and human ambition, now fully exposed to the sky. Beneath the surface of this necropolis, the Earth itself begins to fail. A billion tons of downward pressure has been removed from the tectonic plates. Without that weight, the Earth's crust violently buckles upward in a massive geological rebound. Subsurface aquifers lose their structural integrity. These reservoirs collapse inward, triggering massive sinkholes across the continental surface. This sudden shift triggers the Ring of Fire. Synchronized global earthquakes and volcanic eruptions tear through dry trenches as magma bursts through the weakened crust. The oceans serve as a stabilizing weight for the entire planet. Without them, the Earth begins to tear its own continents apart. In the centuries following the collapse, the atmospheric chemistry shifts permanently as volcanic fallout saturates the air. Without oceans to absorb volcanic emissions, the carbon cycle collapses. CO2 levels spike exponentially, and global temperatures climb in parallel. This runaway greenhouse effect traps heat, boiling away subterranean moisture and releasing even more gas in a lethal feedback loop. While a smaller planet like Mars lost its atmosphere to space, Earth's gravity is strong enough to hold these toxic gases close to the surface. Earth eventually mirrors Venus, a boiling, toxic world wrapped in a featureless shroud of pressurized gas. The oceans are the single, fragile mechanism preventing our world from becoming a dead, toxic rock in the solar system.